Is Amitabh Bachchan going blind? Veteran actor Amitabh Bachchan's health condition is not going well since last year. The 77-year-old Bollywood actor has been in the industry for many years and is still one of the leading actors in the industry. But unfortunately, with each passing day, the veteran actor's health condition is deteriorating. Recently, the actor wrote a heartfelt message in his blog, and his message has broken hearts of people. The veteran actor in his long blog has revealed that he is losing his vision with each passing day. Yes, unfortunately, this news is right. Our beloved actor Big B is going blind day by day. The actor recently took his blog to inform his fans and the world about this bad news. As Amitabh Bachchan is aging, he is losing proper vision with each passing day. The actor said that his vision has now blurred and he is unable to see things properly. With his emotional heartfelt post, he made many eyes teary as he spoke about his despair situation. Big B became nostalgic while writing his blog. He remembered the days when his mother used to take care of him. The actor wrote in his blog that his mother used to take the pallu of her sari to make ball with and make it warm and place it on his eyes. He revealed that this trick of her mother always cured his eyes with all the problems. But now he's on the verge of losing his vision permanently and he's afraid of it. The actor said that he's scared now because he is unable to imagine a life without his vision. As per reports, the actor has visited many doctors but nothing helped him in getting clear visions. All the members of the Bachchan family are really worried now regarding his vision. The doctor have prescribed him eye drops which are taken by him, but nothing is helping the actor too much. Even after taking eye drops, he is not able to see things properly. His vision is blurred now. The star is also worried too much as he has many projects on hold in his hand. Filmmakers like Sujit Sarkar is really worried because the shooting of his upcoming film Gulabo Sitabo is halfway through. If the veteran actor gets blind, then the shooting would not get complete and he would have to replace him and reshoot everything. The actor has already suffered a lot regarding his health. Amitabh Bachchan is living only on 25% of his liver. He suffered from the hepatitis B which caused the failure of 75% of his liver. Last year, the actor was admitted to hospital for several days for the treatment of his liver. The actor also wrote a blog last year saying that his body gets tired easily now and his body is signaling him to retire from his career. The film fraternity is really shocked with this revelation made by the actor himself. Hope Amitabh Bachchan gets well soon and continues to give his phenomenal performance in future too. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.